Hello, let's talk about even and odd numbers. What is an even number? What is an odd number? Well, we're going to explain it using smaller numbers, and then after we figure it out, we'll try and determine a pattern that helps us understand which bigger numbers are even and odd. Let's start by looking at the small numbers in this row here. If I make the number 1, this number does not have a partner. You could say it's the odd person out. If I make the number 2, everyone has a partner. There's no odd person out. Let's look at 3. If I look at the number 3, there is a partnership, but unfortunately, there's one odd person left out that doesn't have a partner. So far it's a pattern. Odd, even. Odd. I wonder what comes next. Let's make 4 and see if everyone has a partner. This is the number 4. Partners and partners. We have another even number. There's no odd person left out. Well, I think I'm beginning to see a pattern develop. Odd, even. Odd, even. Can you guess what type of number will come next? Well, let's count it out just to be sure. There's number 5. Now let's partner up the dots. Unfortunately, when I make the number 5, there's one dot left out. This is the odd person out. We definitely have a pattern happening. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. Can you predict what will come next? Yep, it's even all right. Here's the shortcut. Any number that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 is an even number, because when you make these numbers, you can always partner up the dots. If you know that these are the even numbers, it can help you make a prediction about the bigger numbers. But first, it might be helpful to have a bit of a cheer or a rhyme so that you can remember the even numbers. Try this cheer. It's something you might have heard playing sports. It goes like this. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. And try it again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. You'll notice I was pointing to the 0 and the 10 when I said the cheer. But the better thing to do would actually be to write the number 0 before 1. Because 0 does not come after 8. We were just referring to the 0 in the number 10. In any case, if you can remember 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that will help you figure out whether or not bigger numbers are even or odd. Watch this. Here's the number 12. If I build the number 12 on my whiteboard, I'm pretty sure it's going to be an even number because it ends with 2, and 2 is an even number. Well, let's just be sure. Looks like I'm out of green dots. I'll have to switch to yellow. This is the number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every single dot should have a partner. Yep, it does. The trick worked. I knew that 12 would be an even number because it ended with a 2. And 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0 are even numbers. So that means any number that ends with a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 will be an even number too. Let's try another one just in case you don't believe me. What about the number 26? Will 26 be an even number? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. Well, it should be an even number. It ends in a 6, and 6 is one of the numbers I say in my cheer. Might take a while to build 26, but let's give it a go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I should move the board a little bit farther up so you can see. Well, there's 26 dots. Now let's check and see whether or not they all have partners. Partner, 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 partners, 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 partners. It worked. Every single dot has a partner. So 26 is definitely an even number. And I didn't really need to build it with the dots. I just used my trick. I looked at the last digit, which was a 6, and then said my cheer. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. So there was really no need to build it. I just paid attention to the 6, the last digit in 26. What about a really big number? What about 99? Would 99 be an even number? Yes or no? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. It doesn't seem like 99 ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So I predict that 99 would have an odd person out. If you predicted that too, you're right. Even numbers have to end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. What if I gave you a really big number? I'll clean my board. Here's a huge number. This is the number 1,326. That's a huge number. Can you tell if it will be even or odd? Remember, you only have to pay attention to the very last digit. Now say your cheer. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. Did you say 6 in your cheer? Yep, that means it's an even number, and everyone will have a partner when you build the number 1,326. That's a shortcut. It would take a while, after all, to build such a big number. Here's an even bigger number. See if you can predict whether this number will be even or odd. 2,850,000 491. That is a big number. 2,850,491. I don't expect you to build that number with your circles. All you have to do is pay attention to the very last digit. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even, even, rah, rah, rah. Did you say the number 1 in your cheer? Nope. That means it's not an even number. If you built 2,850,491, there would be an odd person out. That means it's an odd number. Try that trick with as many big numbers as you can think of. See you next time.